Imagine capturing every moment of your day without needing to lift a camera. That's the vision behind DJI's upcoming wearable device, the Osmo Nano, aimed at creators who want to document life while staying fully present. This compact camera is DJI's direct response to competitors like the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and the Insta360 Go 3S, but it brings a more polished modular design to the table. Leaked visuals reveal a two-piece system. The upper module appears to house the primary camera. It's slightly bulkier than some rivals, likely to accommodate upgraded optics or integrated stabilization. The lower portion is expected to include the battery, a mini display, control buttons, and possibly audio components like a mic or speaker. These two parts magnetically snap together and can be worn around the neck, making it ideal for point-of-view recording without using your hands. A flip-out screen is rumored to support both selfie and vlog-style shooting, with key features like 4K recording, advanced stabilization, and integration with DJI's mobile app. The Osmo Nano is slated for release on July 23, 2025, with pricing projected between $300 and $400. This isn't DJI's first experiment with modular cameras. The Action 2 had a similar magnetic concept, though it faced criticism for fragility and clunky handling. The Osmo Nano looks to improve on those early ideas, keeping the modularity but refining usability and durability. One of the standout aspects is its potential for customization. Users may be able to swap in different modules, such as extended batteries or additional screens, offering flexibility for various shooting scenarios. This approach echoes what other brands like GoPro and Insta360 have done with small-form, wearable devices, but DJI's execution appears sleeker and more adaptable. Tech leaker Igor Bogdanov was the first to uncover the Osmo Nano's FCC filing, which revealed two model numbers, one for the camera unit and one for the screen, confirming the modular concept. The documentation also points to energy-efficient wireless features and low power usage, which might translate into longer battery life and smooth connectivity between the components. On the performance front, the Osmo Nano is rumored to include a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K at 120 FPS. DJI's previous action cameras have delivered impressive low-light results, and expectations are high that the Nano will match or exceed that standard. Stabilization should also be robust, thanks to Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, ideal for high-speed sports, cycling, or even use on drones. Durability will be a critical factor, especially given the modular build. Extreme sports users will push the Nano to its limits, and DJI will need to ensure it can withstand harsh environments and impacts. Meanwhile, DJI is also reportedly working on another game-changing product, the Osmo 360. Originally thought to be delayed or shelved, it now looks like the 360-degree camera could debut on July 15, 2025. Insider Jasper Ellens claims to have seen early footage that rivals or even surpasses the Insta360 X5 in image quality, a bold statement. Leaked images and schematics hint at a compact, dual lens design resembling a sleeker GoPro Max. Notably, teardown photos show a clever internal mirror system that redirects light at a 45-degree angle, similar to what's found in the Insta360 X3. This design trick allows DJI to pack more powerful components into a smaller frame. According to the user manual, the Osmo 360 will feature DJI Mimo app support, a 1950 mAh battery, USB-C fast charging at 30W, and connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It'll also come with both physical buttons and a touchscreen, plus support for a variety of accessories. Despite all this buzz, there's been little movement on the retail front. No pre-orders or signs of widespread distribution yet. Trade tensions and tariffs could potentially delay the global launch or impact pricing. Even so, the Osmo 360 clearly signals DJI's ambition to compete head-to-head in the immersive camera space. Renderings based on leaked dimensions show a size comparable to the Insta360 X4 and DJI's own Osmo Action 5 Pro, suggesting it will be easy to carry and use on the go. It features a front-facing screen, quick access controls, and a side power button. However, some observers feel the screen could be larger, and the absence of a built-in mounting solution might be a downside for action users. Still, the overall compact design and dual antenna suggest DJI is prioritizing connectivity and seamless sharing, possibly even live streaming. The camera's FCC listing, under the model name Oak1, has already been approved, implying a launch before the holiday season, likely around November. Over the years, DJI has built a solid reputation for high-quality imaging, both in the air and on the ground. With the Osmo Nano and Osmo 360, the company is doubling down on wearable and immersive video experiences. Whether they can overtake GoPro and Insta360 remains to be seen, but one thing's clear: DJI isn't holding back.